Morning it all. Haven't been able to be down here yet because things have been busy. We had foot surgery yesterday and we got back from vacation. So I haven't been able to come down to our bridge area where the creek is. I was just doing chores. Yeah, it's a little chilly out. Not too bad, but it's a little chilly. So I got everything out, so excuse me sniffling. But so I came down. I actually looked over the hill and saw this. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what happened, what the water did. So I don't know if you can see it. So that's our bridge. I don't know if you can see it. It's a railroad rail, and they go across about probably 20 feet. But all this debris got pushed up, and then so that's going down. That's southeast right there is the sun, and then the pretty part. So I'll give you guys a few seconds just to listen to it. But yeah, so we're gonna get to clean this out in the spring. That's from that storm we had a week ago, I guess. We were in Arizona, but it was pretty bad. You can see the house up there. That's the chicken coop. And we had a Shelter Logic right there where my finger is, and it's on the ground now. It got crushed. So it's something we gotta fix. Not gonna be able to fix it right now because it's frozen to the ground. So yeah, that's what happens when you have storms here, I guess. We little damage. Part of the deal. Still pretty here though. I mean, how many people get to wake up and can walk down the path and listen to this if they want to. If they just want to sit here on a rock to listen, or walk in the woods. So, you guys can't see the back of the property, but it's way up over my shoulder. Way up. Where am I at? Way up there. About a 20-minute walk. So I'm gonna walk up the hill.